everyone, in this video I will show you the drink you will take once a day to gain weight at the right places. This is very good. The first ingredient is fenugreek seed. This is fenugreek seed. Just get a clean container, put little fenugreek seed inside. This fenugreek seed is very good for weight gain because of the nutrient in it and how it has been helping to improve health. So this is the little fenugreek seed. Don't make it much because it's used to swell. Then fill it with water. Fill it to the brim. Fill it with water to the brim, like I said. Then after you have added water inside this fenugreek seed, the next thing you have to do is you have to infuse this. Just cover it with a very nice container, then infuse it overnight. Infuse it overnight. Just keep it in a clean environment. Then the next thing you have to put, after infusing overnight, you will see the increase in the fenugreek seed and color changes of the water. You will also perceive some kind of smell from it. See the color changes, and the seed has already increased. Like I said, it will increase. Then you have to strain the water and remove the seed. You can use a cup or a glass, anyone you want. You can just use it. You can also add water to the fenugreek again and infuse again, so it depends on how you want it. Then the next ingredient is fish oil. Fish oil is very good for weight gain. Maybe you don't know, it's very good for weight gain, and it will help you to gain weight at the right places. Some do take it, some do apply it, so it depends on how you want to use it. So I'll be using like 3 capsules of this fish oil. Put the fish oil inside the fenugreek water. Put the 3 capsules. You can use 4, you can use 2, so it depends on the quantity of the fenugreek water you are using. So now you have already put the whole fish oil inside the fenugreek water. Just stir very well, mix it very well. After you have mixed it, then take 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach to gain weight at the right places. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe.